Rolling the ball through hoops with Whale class. Today, the Baby Shark Tank learners of Whale class enjoyed an exciting gross motor activity, rolling the ball through hoops. Colorful hoops were arranged into fun challenge stations, where the children carefully rolled their balls through each hoop and celebrated every successful pass with big smiles and happy cheers. Johnny focused carefully on the ball's path, gently rolling it through each hoop and clapping happily after completing the challenge. Hammy was full of excitement, enthusiastically cheering for friends while quickly guiding the ball through the colorful hoops. Traingle showed great concentration, adjusting hand strength carefully to keep the ball rolling in the right direction. Every successful roll brought a bright smile to the face. Mina bravely joined the activity and enjoyed every moment of rolling the ball while receiving encouragement from teachers and friends. Through this activity, our Baby Shark Tank learners were able to develop concentration and observation skills, strengthen fine motor coordination and hand-eye coordination, improve control balance and precision, learn patience, turn-taking, and teamwork. Why is this simple game so beneficial for young children? Because every role requires children to observe, plan, control their movements, and coordinate multiple senses to achieve success. With bright smiles, cheerful laughter, and proud moments of accomplishment made today's world-class activity extra special. Do you often play simple movement games with your little one at home? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called Baby Shark Tank. Let the baby come, because the kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Hashtag Mamnonbabirk, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Whale Class, hash rolling welcome, hashtag gross motor skills, hashtag early childhood education, hashtag fun learning, hashtag preschool life, hashtag Baby Shark.